Welcome to Katie and the Hungry Hungarian Cooking Show. The hunger dream of the day is Kugel. That's right, guys. Today's Hungry Hungarian dream of the day is Kugel. It's a Hanukkah tradition. I got this recipe from my honorary aunt Sharon. She shared it with me, so now I'm going to share it with you. So let's get started. Alright guys, it's actually made with these awesome wide egg noodles. That is what it's traditionally made with. Also some sour cream, cottage cheese, a little cream cheese, eggs, a little vanilla is my little secret I added in. Thanks to Sharon. Also, it's dusted with this little bit of cinnamon, and traditionally is with golden raisins. So first things first, we got our water boiling on the stove. We're going to throw in our pasta. We got a pound worth of pasta that we're going to be cooking up. Just follow the directions and just cook it just a little bit underneath, because it's going to bake in the oven as well and absorb all the extra flavor. So I like to just slightly under break it. So we're going to bring that back up to a boil and cook it for just a little bit under than what the packages would say. So if it says 10 minutes, cook it for about like 7-8 minutes or so, and then drain it really well. So as we're waiting for our pasta to cook, we'll get our mixture to get together. Alright, so I got about 6 eggs, about 2 teaspoons to a tablespoon of vanilla. Got 8 ounces of cream cheese.
Oh, and whole eggs.
Yeah, it's whole eggs. Exactly, good point. So I'll just go ahead and let me grab a better utensil here.
Did you leave the cream cheese out to become room temperature?
I did. That's a good question. You want to bring it sure it's nice, warm, and soft.
So it'd be best to probably leave it out before you start cooking?
Absolutely. You can do this in a food processor, hand blender. Whatever makes your life easier to do. So about 1 pound of sour cream.
And we love sour cream here.
Yeah, 1 cup of sugar.
We definitely have more than one of those little things.
So we're just gonna mix this all together.
Now, is this something you want a hand mix, or a hand mixer would be good, or your stand mixer?
No, food processor, not a mixer.
Food processor.
Either a food processor or an immersion blender, or you can do this by hand.
Do you prefer one?
Probably the food processor, just to make this all smooth, evenly. That's okay. So a lot of people don't have a lot of that stuff, so I just want to show that you can do it by hand. I'm just going to mix this really quick until it's smooth. But that's fun. Build up some muscle strength here. So I like to, if it's not quite warm enough, just kind of just smash it against the side of the bowl, whatever the little bigger chunks are. So just mix. You can use a hand mixer if you want. I mean, just use whatever your life is gonna make your life easier.
Well, so any of these other devices you can use, it's not going to mess up how the mix is going to come out.
No. So I'm probably just actually going to switch over to the immersion blender. So this is an immersion blender, and we're going to blend.
Blend and blend and blend.
This will make it really nice and smooth.
Where can you buy one of these? Anywhere? Target, Walmart, Bed Bath & Beyond? Yes. Probably not the grocery store, though.
No.
Funny enough.
Like Bed Bath & Beyond, Amazon, Walmart. Very easy to come by. So there you go. That's a good thing to do when, for whatever reason your cream cheese isn't as soft, but now we're all golden. Our noodles happen to be done. So I'm going to show you what to do next. Alright, now that our noodles are cooked, drain the water out really well. We're going to add our mixture in here.
Oh, it's like a silky smooth mixture.
Oh, I can't wait. Alright. Give it a nice little toss.
That looks good just like that.
Right?
Yeah.
And then now we're going to add in our whole fat
Cottage cheese.
Give that a little mix here. That was a technique that my honorary aunt showed me. Doesn't like to blend everything. So I thought, oh yeah, that's smart. Have different textures running through it. So now we're going to throw in our raisins that we soaked in some hot water until they're plump and juicy. These are golden raisins.
Golden raisins.
So we're going to throw these bad boys in here.
Can you get golden raisins anywhere?
They're a little hard to find. I found these at a nice ethnic market, but shop around. It's not too terrible. So just give that a little mix.
We found them at Valley Produce.
Yeah.
Or Valley Marketplace now. It used to be Valley Produce.
Okay, so now we're going to spray 9x11. This one's a 9x13, but whatever. Just spray it with some cooking spray, non-stick cooking spray, obviously, and then we're just going to
Give it a
pour
pour.
this bad boy in here, like so. Ooh, yum.
And this is what size pan?
This one's a 9x13.
9x13. So a 9x11, 9x13 would be fine. It's like making a casserole.
Yeah, I think a 9x13 is a good number.
13. Yeah, that looks like it makes a perfect layer in there.
So there we
Thumbs
go.
up.
Awesome. So we're going to also set up the oven temperature to 350 degrees. Alright, and just before you put it in the oven, you want to give it a nice sprinkle of cinnamon. So that, oh man, I love cinnamon.
Oh yeah.
We got a nice.
It's one of the top spices in American cuisine.
Oh, yeah, it's actually from a bark from a tree.
Yes, it is. And actually, what we have is not truly cinnamon.
No,
It's actually some other similar bark of some sort that they has a similar taste to cinnamon bark.
Just throw a little bit of extra sugar on top, like so. And then now.
Sugar, you guys. Sugar. That wasn't salt.
No, sugar. And then we're going to bake this in the middle of the oven at 350 degrees for about an hour or so. Alright guys, took it out of the oven. So beautiful. Crispy little edges. Look at that beautiful cinnamon. Smells so good. Let it sit for about 20 minutes and that'll help bring it together. Make that custard base. Let's give it a nice little cut. Oh man. I hope I can make my honorary aunt happy. Go drop some off to her. I like corner pieces, so I'll look. I'll throw this on the corner here. Oh, look at that. Oh boy. Oh boy. Nice.
It's jiggly. It's pasta-y. What else is it, William? Cinnamony?
Heavenly.
Smells like a holiday.
So you don't have to put raisins in this. You can just leave it without, and then she told me she likes to put strawberry jam on top. You can put apricots in here.
Could you put chocolate in there?
You can put it on top. I wouldn't put it in it, but who knows?
Not in it?
This is actually
Something
the first
to
time me
experiment
making
with.
it, so.
Oh, that's true.
Mmm.
First time making it.
Oh man, this is really good.
Bam! Big thumbs up.
Wow. Carol's hot. What do you think?
Nom nom nom. Nom 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 nom. Oh, that's really good.
Yeah. So this is served as a side dish, or you can serve it as a dessert. But wow, it is so good.
Actually, yeah, it is.
All right, guys. Well, I'm gonna leave you now. Remember
To make your own.
make your own, and live, love, and eat.